Okay. Our next judge will be Judge Corte.
Hello, Mr. Civil Engineering. How are you feeling?
Feeling great, tired, but present.
Ikaw muna,
Yay!
Ayan, okay. First muna, na I would like to comment muna yung style ni Miss Civil Engineering, no? You really stood out, nakakatawa, pabago-bago ka na look. Really love your looks. Okay. So here's your question, Mr. Civil Engineer. Okay. How would you define integrity? And why is it crucial in a world of compromise? Once again, how would you define integrity? And why is it crucial in a world of compromise?
So thank you for that wonderful question. I would define integrity as that one that can be yung integrity kasi hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun kadaling trait na makuha kasi kailangan paghirapan mo talaga siya. And kailangan practice mo din siya daily kahit wala nakakakita sa iyo tao. Kasi wala lang naman yung tunay na integridad ng tao kapag gumagawa siya ng tama kahit wala nakakakita sa kanya ng tao. And
Thank you very much, Mr. and Miss Civil Engineering.